Safety first. Hey Mom, be right back. I'm gonna go get some milk.
Okay, be careful. Make sure you put your seatbelt on.
You don't need your seatbelt on. The store's just around the corner. Safety first. Don't listen to that goody two-shoes. The store's just around the corner. Nothing's gonna happen. Anything can happen. You should always put your seatbelt on. Blah, 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 blah. Hang on, I'm coming with you. Don't let the devil get inside. Buckle up to save your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a video that I put in for a contest, and unfortunately I lost. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed to us. We really appreciate it, like tons. If you haven't subscribed, it's up there. Please feel free to do so. We are going to do a Q&A video very soon, and so if you have any questions for us at all, we would appreciate it if you just go ahead and ask us some questions and we'll answer it in the video. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching again. Goodbye.